Converting units of length. How to convert meter to centimeter or centimeter to meter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. The prefix centi means 100. The meter is the basic unit of measure for length in the metric system. Thus, to convert from meter to centimeter, you multiply the number of meters by 100. On the other hand, to convert from centimeter to meter, divide the length of the object in centimeters by 100. Example number 1. How many centimeters are there in 8 meters? The solution, we have 8 times 100. The answer is 800 centimeters. For example number 2, how many meters are there in 6,000 centimeters? Here is the solution. 6,000 divided by 100, and the answer is 60 meters. And for example number 3, how many centimeters are there in 135 meters? The solution, 135 times 100. Now the answer is 13,500 centimeters. Now in kilometer to meter or meter to kilometer, the prefix kilo means 1,000. Therefore, 1 kilometer means 1,000 meters. In symbol, 1 km equals 1,000 m. To convert from kilometer to meter, you multiply the number of kilometers by 1,000. On the other hand, to convert from meter to kilometer, divide the number of meters by 1,000. For example number 1, how many meters are there in 12 kilometers? Here is the solution, 12 times 1,000. The answer is 12,000 meter. So now, therefore, there are 12,000 meters in 12 kilometers. For example number 2, how many kilometers are there in 52,000 meters? The solution is 52,000 divided by 1,000, and the answer is 52 kilometers. So there are 52 kilometers in 52,000 meters. Now let us do the activity. Complete the following table from centimeter to meter or meter to centimeter, and also meter to kilometer or kilometer to meter. For letter B, true or false. Write true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is incorrect. Number 1, meter is an appropriate unit of measure to use for the distance between Manila and Cebu City. Number 2, 57 kilometers is equal to 5,700 meters. Number 3, 743 centimeters is equal to 7 meters and 43 centimeters. Number 4, 10 meters and 69 centimeters is less than 10,690 centimeters. Number 5, 42 kilometers and 690 meters is greater than 42,690 meters. Here are the answers for number 1, false, number 2, false, number 3, true. Number 4, false. And number 5, true. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.